What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger of a video. Today it is, let me check the date, September 20th, 5:38 p.m. Hope you guys enjoyed that little arts and crafts segment. Here we got a little Doza sticker to throw on right here. But yeah, we're gonna be going to Cars and Coffee tomorrow, so I want to be repping my boy. So I made myself a sticker right now real quick. Had my measurements should be good, but yeah, we're gonna throw this on. Then I mean, it's pretty much ready for tomorrow. I mean, it's nothing crazy on the CRV, but just to let people know that if they know me, they know this is mine. But yeah, we're gonna throw this on real quick. Give me a second. And just like that, my measurements were correct. So it looks in the back. It's a little big. I'm probably gonna make it a little bit more smaller, but for tomorrow I think that should be fine. But yeah, I already announced in my the last video of the truck update that I'll be at Cars and Coffee tomorrow, so I hope to see you guys tomorrow. But yeah, we're gonna pick up the camera to a couple hours, I guess. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is the next day, and we got the CRV here sitting all pretty. We're on our way to Cars and Coffee right now over in San Clemente, and yeah, just gotta start this thing up, let it warm up, and all that. Let's see if we see anything over there at Cars and Coffee, like someone interesting or someone cool or car. But yeah, should be cool. CRV's first CRV, I mean Cars and Coffee, so let's see if we run into someone. But yeah, hope everyone's having a good day. It is 7/24, September 21st. And then also I want to say, while this warms up, that if anyone's going to be going to the SoCal CRV trail run at the end of this month, I will be there. So hope you guys are going to be headed that way as well. I would like to see some of you guys. Obviously we're taking the CRV. Alright guys, we're on route to Cars and Coffee right now. So far I have not seen anything on the freeway. We're right here by San Juan. We're going through San Juan right now. But yeah, so far I see nothing. There's a Silverado up ahead that's like all pre-runner built, so that one's like, that's like the only thing, but I don't think they're on their way to Cars and Coffee. But yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, we're on route though. We got some Lil Wayne bumping. We're about to see some Wayne tonight too. We're gonna see him live in Ontario, so gotta get ready for them lyrics. But yeah, let's see if we see like fresh kicks, or I think just fresh kicks, to be honest. I think that's the only influencer I like to watch that goes to Cars and Coffee. But yeah, and hopefully we see some CRVs or Civics. Last time, oh look here, we're pulling up to that Silverado I was mentioning. Look here, I'll show you guys real quick. So yeah, that's the Silverado. But yeah, hopefully we see some CRVs or Civics. Last time we saw no CRVs. We saw one on the freeway, if I remember correctly. But Civics, I think we only saw like a handful, like probably like 3 or 4. But yeah, I didn't see not that much though. So hopefully we see some right now when we get there, or something, just something like along our bar. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. Alright, so we've arrived, but there's currently no entry until 8:30, so we're just gonna chill here in the this other parking lot for a bit. That's like on the other side. There's really no cars. There's a Sierra right there, and then like a Mustang and a C8. Other than that, there's really nothing here, so we're just gonna kick it here in the car for the meantime. Alright guys, so we're here already. We're on the other side. I think we're like on the same spot that we were when we came in the Civic. But yeah, I'm gonna get down right now. There's a couple cars. There's a Rado right here next to me. That's pretty much it, to be honest. All the stuff's over there. But yeah, we're gonna get down right now and walk around, see what's good. But yeah, I think Fresh Kicks is on his way over here. He was posting on his Snap, so I don't know if we'll be seeing him today or if he's just going somewhere else. I know he'd be coming here pretty pretty often, so we'll see if we see him tonight or today, this morning. Alright, we got fresh kick right here in the cut. We got a Hellcat right here and a Type R coming up. Got this S13. It's on airlift suspension.
My buddy needs a car. An actually unmodified 240. But not only that, it doesn't look like it's intended as a place car. All buckled up and shit.
We got this Accord here. Here's the guy's handle. This shit's H swapped. Look, keep it. This thing's pretty sick. I bet it moves pretty good too on the streets. She got this Bel Air. This thing's fucking mint. Nah, that's pretty hard with the patina. Nah, that's probably like the best thing I've seen here. It's got a whole LT motor. Or is it an LT? Not the whole LSA blower in here. LS. Alright guys, so we're on our way home. Sorry if I wasn't really talking, like if you couldn't hear me or talking. I don't know, I felt awkward still. I still feel awkward trying to talk in public with the camera out. I'm trying to work on that. But I did get to talk to Fresh Kicks though. He was giving me I was asking him like tips on cameras and all that. But he was cool, chill dude. I took a picture with him. Maybe I'll put it right here. I'll see though. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I got to see some stuff over there that I've never seen. And then obviously I saw like what I usually see there when I go. But it was pretty cool. Sorry this video is pretty boring. I don't know, I don't have anything else planned for today. I might drag this video for like a different day as well, like just to combine everything. Or I might just post it as is. I'm not sure. I don't have anything to put on the CRV or a Civic or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see if we end the video. Just like that, this is gonna be it for the today's video. Sorry if it was pretty short and I didn't show too much, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Just quick reminder again, if you guys are to check out the SoCal CRV trail run next weekend. It is on the 28th on a Saturday. I believe it's at 8 a.m. I'll put the flyer up right here. But yeah, we'll be there guys, so make sure you guys are attending too. If you guys are in the area and have CRVs, I would like to meet a couple of you guys as well. I'm trying to think if there's anything new coming up. Nothing with the Civic so far. The cluster still hasn't came in, but we're working on that. Let's see. Audio system probably next week, or not next week, but next thing we do on the CRV. What else? I think that's probably gonna be it. I'm probably gonna be making an update on the Civic as well soon. I'm not sure when I'll be recording that. Maybe sometime next week as well. I'll probably post it next week too. This video I'll probably post it either Sunday or Monday from the time you guys are seeing this. Maybe, I don't know, it'll probably be on a Monday when I post this. But yeah, that's gonna be it guys. Follow, like, comment, subscribe. Follow the Instagram, Victor_Doza. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Have a good one, and quick shout out to Doza Garage. But yeah, have a good one guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video.